Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by grouping the F block into lanthanides and actinides so your brain has two clear buckets. Once done, memorize starting points. 4F begins at cerium element 58 and 5F at thorium 90. You should also learn the dominant oxidation state, lanthanides favor +3, because that regularity reduces memorization load. Make sure to practice aloud and point to a table as you say names, linking sight, speech, and meaning speeds retention. You build mnemonic anchors next. Split the series into chunks of 3 or 4 elements and create vivid phrases tying names to properties. For example, link cerium praseodymium neodymium to a single image that includes ionic size shrinking across the row. Once vivid anchors exist, practice them with spaced repetition, review after 10 minutes, 1 hour, and 1 day to move names into long-term memory. Also, quiz yourself on properties. Because connecting names to behavior, you finish by converting recognition into recall. Use active recall flashcards with atomic number on one side and the element name plus common oxidation on the other. Once comfortable, mix lanthanides and actinides in random order to avoid pattern guessing. Make sure to do weekly cumulative reviews to prevent forgetting. If you get stuck, isolate the elements you miss most and create a tiny story or sensory image just for them. This targeted reinforcement fixes weak spots faster than repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.